Hi, I'm Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Battle of the Moisturizers by Skintific. And if you're like me, looking for a good moisturizer, continue watching. So I'm going to be talking about 4 of their most popular skincare moisturizer, which is the 5x Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisture Gel and the 5% Panthenol Acne Calming Water Gel, the MSH Niacinamide Brightening Moisture Gel, the Symwhite 377 Dark Spot Moisture Gel. I have tried all of them personally and I'm going to talk to you about them. So let's start with the 5x Ceramide Barrier Repair Gel. This is very good for dry skin or even normal skin, and there is a whole reason why it's the best seller. And for those who have not watched my previous video, I've actually used this one for my base makeup, so it actually helps to boost your skin very fast and makes your makeup look a lot nicer. I've also been using it at night to moisture my skin because I'm actually staying in a room with air condition, which makes my skin very dry, and it really does its job very well. So this is how it looks like, and this, let's open it up, actually looks like this. White creamy texture that absorbs to your skin very quick, very fast, smells very good, not too strong of a fragrance, just a very soft, nice fragrance. It also has Centella Argentica ingredient in it, so it helps a lot with repairing your skin, especially after you pop a pimple, you pop a zit, your skin is very inflamed. You can also use this as your moisturizer. What does Ceramide do? Ceramide helps with locking in the moisture in your skin and helps strengthen the barrier of your skin. I found this product incredibly soothing and it makes my skin feel so soft and moisturized the next day. Next up, we have this, the 5% Panthenol Acne Calming Water Gel. And surprisingly, this is actually my favorite amongst all of this. This one is a very refreshing gel-like texture that absorbs to your skin almost instantly. It actually feels a little bit like an aloe vera gel, but that is what my personal preference is. It doesn't actually irritate my pimple like some moisturizer does. So I don't really have a lot of pimples, but sometimes 1 to 2 zits a month is like normal, and some moisturizer will make that worse during the pimple period. This one actually helps to soothe it, helps to calm it, and makes your skin so moisturized. It does have the 5x Ceramide as well, so I use this during my acne period just to moisture my skin and to help with the acne, and it definitely helps. I would recommend this for like acne prone skin and sensitive skin. Now let's talk about the third one, which is the MSH Niacinamide Brightening Moisture Gel. This one is really good for people who wants to brighten their complexion and just to reduce dark spots in general. I've been using this product after having my acne popped out because there's like a small, dark red acne scar that is there, and this product really helps a lot, and it moisturizes your skin while helping you reduce those dark spots, small acne scars. This is how it looks like. It's a whitish cream that is very light, and it smells very nice as well, very light. And almost all of Skintific's product just absorbs to your skin very easily without leaving any sticky residue. So last but not least, we have the Symwhite 377 Dark Spot Moisture Gel that helps with whitening and reducing dark spot as well. So I feel like amongst all 4, this is the most thick texture, but not in a bad way. It will be better to match a more mature skin or maybe a more dry skin, formulated to target hyperpigmentation in skin, and also has 5x Ceramide for moisturizing. So let me open up and show you guys. This is probably the thickest among all. Very good for super dry skin and mature skin. It smells a little more floral as well. In conclusion, each of these moisturizer offers very different benefits for different skin types. Depending if you have dry skin or if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, you should pick the one that is good for you. So what I do is actually to get 2 or 3 types of moisturizers and to use them maybe alternative days, or if when you have during different skin concerns, when you have pimple then you use the correct one, after pimple then you use the other one. So please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you have any thoughts about this video. You can buy Skintific products on Shopee or Guardian or Watson stores that is near you. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. See you next.